Rap Fries, iSWE in the booth. You know, it's going down every Fridays. We're dropping bars. I've got Ray Kush. Are you ready, my nigga?
I'm ready, sir.
You know what to do when the beat drops, yeah?
Yeah. What up, it's Ray Kush. Peace to the hustlers. One day the Popa, ma. Tell them Mori one day read the pop. Yeah. Tell them Mori one day read the pop. Tell them Mori one day read the pop. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the pop. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the pop. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the pop. Okay, the lunatic so changa chifu want the chifa sound. Livango beda pasi abat okay the underground. Bako foga no tu okay they bochi on around. They make a show uri ava yata your rebound. No that was pana man, that's it crazy. I'm just tryna run this shit, and I know this sounded crazy. But I'm the cheesy double dozy bona uri see amazing. Okay, the cheesy double dozy bona uri see amazing. Change the game needs to change like a baby diapers. Niggas on my phone, tryna fuck it up, I'm tryna get in, nigga. Oh, this is Ray Kush coming to you live to the Popa one day to the hustlers out here. Goody guns. Okay, black house, I got you, my niggas. We vlogging, we trapping out here. I got Slim McLacker, we trapping out here. You freestyling, niggas speed dialing, I'm trapping out here, my nigga. Niggas tryna freeze my nigga. I ain't got time to freeze my nigga. I'm afraid right now, tryna speak my mind, tryna keep out loud, yeah. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Ray Kush coming to you live right now. Rima quarera, Rico trap right now. Tryna rap right now, tryna trap right now. Tryna make my rap step for name right now. Out here tryna make my name right now. Ray Kush now, speed dialing. I'm live right now. Tryna keep that game clean. Big shout out to my niggas, big shout out to my hood. I'm from Venda, tryna keep it real out, yeah. Tryna freestyle, tryna keep it loud, tryna speak my mind, yeah. I'm so high, been smoking Kush. No mixing, no freezing, no leasing, or leaning, yeah. Been on the road for a while right now. Been trapping, been slapping. These niggas wanna be out here, being braggy. Niggas going out, they can't pick up the ones right down. Yeah, we going down, she's going down, she going down. We hustle now. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori do bala soldata. Yeah, tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori one day read the Popa. Tell them Mori one day beat the picture. I will not stop. I'ma go a cappella right now. Okay, the game needs to change like a couple baby diapers. Niggas running on my phone, I ain't fucking with them divers. They keep on talking crap while attending to no terrorists. Okay, I kinda get the booty call or speed dial like I'm Vision Bolt. Ever since Cubase, these niggas came on board. I'm the best lyricist in Venda, I bet you've been told. I ain't gonna say much about myself, I ain't wrong. I can drop a freestyle and somebody could finna hug me. Okay, oh boy, I got it. Everybody wanna fuck me. What I got is what I want. What you need, somebody lost. I be smoking, I be dropping good shit like I be niggas thinking I'm in ozone. I'm the kid on your show, you be tripping for your loss. Got a papa mommies wanna fuck me, I'm a friend though. Niggas talking shit on the Louis, just say on the trap. What's the shit you posting and go better breaking news, boy? My love for my girls is bigger than Bill Gates' wallet. Fame is not an option, it's a nail in your coffin. Y'all niggas talking with me, fucking with me, you can't even speak English. I'm the dog boy, Kush-Rido represent. Say me like out here, man. I tried my best right now. This was a freestyle, man. I didn't write shit, man.
How do you feel? How do you feel about the
Damn.
freestyle, though?
I was nervous. I know I fucked up a little bit right there, man. Damn. Whew.
But it's real, isn't it?
It's real, man. From the heart.
It's real.
It's real from the heart, man. Practice makes perfect. So, yeah, man.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
iSWE in the booth.
Love y'all.
Kush, representing Govela, all the way from Zanzibar, South Africa to the globe. My name is Simon Cracker, your producer, your director.
Thank you.
We directed.
Peace. Damn.
What's that I mean?